Woohoo! Oops! Oh, what's all that noise? Happy birthday, Bonnie! I've got a surprise for you! Oh, wow, it's a piñata. Time to smash it. Let's see what's inside. Woohoo! Oh, wow, craft supplies. Let's make a gift for Bonnie. Take polymer clay, cut it into pieces, and knead it until it's soft. What's this gonna be? You'll see soon. I actually need your help right now. Oh, I love this kind of thing. Done! Take a look. Perfect. Put all the body parts together and make indentations for the eyes. Lali, I need the oven. 1 minute. It's so heavy. Great, thank you, Lali. Place the doll on the tray and turn on the oven. Lali, I have a job for you. Keep an eye on the doll so it doesn't burn. I'll work on the clothes in the meantime. Yes, ma'am. Okay, how's our little figure doing? Yep, still baking. Everything's under control. Let me just check TikTok real quick. Oh, what's that smell? Oh no, the figure is burned. I need to fix this right now. Let's prepare the costume in the meantime. Phew, I hope LaLiLu doesn't notice. So how's it going over there, Lali? Everything's perfect. Wow, great job. Let's do the doll's hairstyle. Attach the braid, put on a shirt, pants, draw the print, add a belt, and a buckle. Lali, want to paint the face? No, I've got loads of stuff to do. Paint green eyes and a smile. And Jessie's done. A cowboy hat. Perfect. Wrap it up beautifully. What a wonderful gift. Thanks, LaLiLu. I'm off. Bonnie, I've got a gift for you. Wow, I wonder what's inside. Oh, wow, it's Jessie. What a lovely doll. You're gonna be my favorite toy. Thank you so much, Lali. So glad you love it. Woohoo, my Jessie. You know what, Lali? It would be nice to keep her company. Great idea. I was just gonna suggest we make a Woody for her. Be right back. Oh, LaLiLu, we urgently need a Woody. I have a few ideas for what we could make him from. If you want more awesome ideas, check out my diary from the link in the description below the video. How can I help you, Lali? Look, I found this doll right here. Can you turn it into Woody? Well, we can give it a shot. Now I've really given LaLiLu a challenge. You've got this, LaLiLu. Okay, first remove the obvious girly elements. The skirt and the pink hair. File down any rough spots. Wipe off the makeup. For the new hairstyle, we'll use air-dry clay. Shape a cap. Add texture with a clay tool. And make the curly forelock. It's already starting to look like someone. What's next? We draw the doll a whole new face. The doll's face is too small, so we'll use a clay tool for the eyes. Such delicate work. Draw in the pupils, eyebrows, and lips. Add rosy cheeks with pastel. Absolutely slaying! Moving on to the clothes, we'll make a cowboy outfit. I've got something for you. It's left over from the previous videos. Maybe it'll come in handy. I'll start with the jeans. Cut out 2 pieces. Try them on Woody. They fit perfectly. We need boots. Make them from air-dry clay. Sculpt the cowboy boots. Add spurs. Put on the belt with buckle and holster. On top, we'll have a plaid shirt. Tie on the bandana. Mark the buttons. And voila! LaLiLu, I made a vest for him. That's exactly what was missing. LaLiLu, did you think I was just goofing off? The vest fits perfectly. Well, of course, made by a pro. The sheriff's badge. LaLiLu, look what I've got. Woody's hat. Wow, it's a perfect fit. Yeehaw! He's got a truly complete cowboy look now. Wow, he looks so cool. And check out what else I've got. Bullseye from Toy Story. Wow, so cute. LaLiLu, we are the best team ever. Time to ride. Off to adventure. Amazing work. Oh wait, where's Woody? Yeehaw! Now where did he get off to? I need to get Jessie. And here I am. Jessie, look. Oh my gosh, it's Woody. Jessie, Woody, you're gonna be my friends now. It's so wonderful that Bonnie now has 2 new friends. So, what are we gonna do? Let's play a game. Hide and seek. Oh wow, great idea. I'll count while you both hide. 1, 2, time to hide. And nobody will find me here. Where should I hide? Oh, this is the perfect spot. Ready or not, here I come. Now where did you hide? Oh, found her! Woo! Now Woody. Jessie, check the wardrobe. That's me. Okay, I'll help you find Woody. Help! How did you get up there? I'm stuck. Lali, thank you so much for helping. You're really in a pickle, Woody. Okay, I need to get ready for the party. LaLiLu, could you please help me with the gifts while I take care of the decorations? Okay, Lali. We'll need craft foam and hot glue sticks. Take thick craft foam and a picture of the tablet. Trace it and cut it out. Glue on the printed screen and a craft foam frame. Shape frog legs from hot glue. And we add toy eyes. LaLiLu, I brought you. Oops! Lali, what's up? Oh, I'm sorry. Our tablet is ready. Help me! I'm flying away! What a great gift. Phew, barely landed. Almost done, just need the cake. Oh, and the bunting. LaLiLu, can you help me? I'll hang this side while you hook the other. Wow, so many gifts. It's a lily pad. I'll just take a tiny little peek. LaLiLu, have you seen Bonnie? No, Lali, I haven't. Where could she be? Not here. Not here either. Oh, that's a clue. There she is. What are you looking at? Bonnie, can you hear me? Oh, no. She doesn't want to play with us anymore. I need to come up with something fast. LaLiLu, look what I brought. What is it, Lali? It's my collection. Let's find something to make buzz from. Oh, wow, a fairy LOL ball. Stitch. Wow, it's a Nido. I love these so much. Check out my mystery dumpling collection. Wow, these are all so cool. Oh, wow, it's a donut stress toy. But we need to find something to make buzz from. Oh, I think this will work. Perfect. I was wondering what to do with that keychain. First, cut off the chain. Then remove the dark glass. Oh, and the light mechanism too. But Buzz doesn't have a helmet like that. Right, so cut that off too. Is that better? Way better. Now we need some air dry clay. Mix white and orange together. So we roll an oval. Insert the head into the spacesuit. Shape the face and attach the eyes. Now we need to paint it. Add pupils with the clay tool. Paint a mouth with the brush and thick eyebrows. Use purple to paint the skull cap. And spacesuit details.
Greetings, everyone.
Wow, that slaps! LaLiLu, we need a box. But why, Lali? To make a big impression on his new friends. One moment, I think this one will work. Perfect. Place Buzz in the box. Thanks, I'm running. Phew, just in time. I'll set it next to the other gifts. I wonder what's in that box. Oh, something's happening in there.
Ta-da!
Wow, it's Buzz.
Hey there, and here I am.
Awesome. We're so glad you're with us.
I have a plan to get Bonnie away from that tablet.
Oh, wow.
You're in charge of the tablet. Yes, sir. Jessie, you handle the snacks.
Yes, sir.
Jessie, the car is heading your way.
Cupcake is ready. My lily pad.
Initiating the operation. Move out.
My tablet.
Oops, it didn't work.
Let's try again. Oh, a cupcake? I love cupcakes. Hey, where are you going?
See the target. Target acquired.
Num num num. Hey, where's the tablet?
No!
Oh, there's my tablet.
Guys, I'm sorry. Operation failed.
What do we do? How do we get Bonnie away from that tablet? Let's see which characters we still have. We could make another one. Of course! That's exactly what we need. What do you mean, Lali? We'll make Mr. Potato Head. Great idea. I'm going for supplies. Little Dino, my friend, can you give me just one egg? Anything for you, Lali. Thanks, buddy. You really came through for me. And here are the supplies. You handle the craft while I come up with a plan. Let me check my notebook for ideas. Paint the egg brown. Now we need to make the face. Use air dry clay for that. From pink clay, shape the ears. Roll them and press with the tool. Attach them to the head. From beige clay, shape the nose. Poke nostrils with the tool and attach it in place. Roll white little eyeballs. The mustache and eyebrows are in black. Attach the arms and paint the pupils. Add doll shoes. Just need to put on the hat. Ta-da!
I'm ready for my assignment.
Oh, you're already done. Great! And I just drew up the action plan. Bonnie trips, drops the tablet. Mission complete. Here you go, Mr. Potato Head.
Understood. I'll do my absolute best. Could someone pick me up?
Of course, my apologies.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. I know just how to help you.
Amazing.
One of us already helped.
Hey, let him explain. Sorry, he's just stressed. So what's the plan?
I'll show you right now. Here's the action plan. So I roll out onto the path, Bonnie trips, drops her tablet, and you catch it. Got it? Not bad at all. Worth a try.
I kinda love it.
Everyone to your positions.
In position. Target in sight.
Team, are you ready? Ready and waiting. I can't see a thing. Lali, you're up.
Got it. Hey, Bonnie, I need your help. Come with me. Okay. Stick to the plan.
Move out. This is my moment.
Ah!
I got it. Got it.
Careful, girl. Phew, thanks, Lali.
Quick, let's move.
Let me help you.
Was the operation a success?
Yes, we pulled it off.
We did it!
Guys, did you hide the tablet?
Don't worry, it's in a safe place.
Where's my tablet? Not there. Oh, there it is. I got scared for a second. Yeah, couldn't have found a safer hiding spot.
Operation failed again.
LaLiLu, I don't know what to do anymore. Oh, what's this? Big brain moment.
Well, what did you come up with, Lali?
This time, Bunny will definitely forget about her tablet. Let's make Forky and Karen Beverly. Perfect. I happen to have a little knife. No, it's too big. Then we'll use the air dry clay tool. Great idea. But first, we'll trim it a bit. Now they're the same height as the fork. That slaps. Want some magic? Lalicadabra. Now let's make their legs. Cut the popsicle sticks and stick each one lengthwise. File the edges and glue them together. Press white clay on top and insert our fork and knife. I brought some eyes. Perfect. Glue the eyes onto Forky. And I glued them onto the knife. They look so alike. Put a little wig on our Karen Beverly and draw on freckles and lashes. And for Forky, make a monobrow. Add a mouth to the knife and to the fork. Take pipe cleaner, but it's too fluffy for such tiny figures. Let's singe it a little and make little hands. The arms are done. Gorgeous dress, a hair clip, and a necklace. And there's our adorable little couple. Wow, they're so cute. I'm sure Bonnie won't be able to resist them. Then run over to her right now. I'm going. Where's Bonnie? Where is she? Oh, wow, another new game. No way, we are still going to save your birthday. Hey, Bonnie, look what I've got. Hey there, Bonnie. We came to see you. It's not working. But how do I get her attention away from that tablet? I've got it. Bonnie, I've got a new game for you. A new game? You've got an awesome party waiting for you. I love parties. Oh, and who are these little cuties? Lali, did you make these? Me and LaLiLu made them together. Wow, they're so cool. With that tablet, I kind of forgot how much I love all of you. And I have a surprise for you all. Meet.
Hey, everyone. Hey, guys.
But that's not all. And here we are. Oh my gosh, it's all my favorite characters. Time to start the party. Woo!
Yee-haw!
This is so amazing.
Minnie Karen Beverly, you look so adorable.
Ahem!
Oops, honey.
This is so much fun.
Yay!
Wow, we actually pulled it off.
And here I am.
Not now, lily pad.
Look what I can do.
Jessie, I'm so tired.
Then lie down and get some rest.
Just for a second.
Poor thing, she's so exhausted.
This really is the best birthday of my entire life. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel.
Bye-bye.